Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Lopsided Crafter. My name is Erica, and I am your host for this little part of the YouTube world. I've got mail. Y'all, I am so excited about this. I have been waiting patiently. I did a pre-order, but I was scrolling Etsy one night, like I was half asleep. It's funny how we shop when we're half asleep. Not thinking about anything. I saw this and I was like, I want it, and I clicked pay, and the rest is history. It was a pre-order, and it is made from my friend Rachel over at Bear Valley Fibres. It came in the mail today. I'm so excited. So, I have opened the box, but I haven't looked inside. So we're gonna look together. Okay, let me change camera. So here's the box with the cute little bear logo. Y'all, if you only knew how excited I was, maybe you can tell by my my little laugh there. Okay, let's open the box up. Let me move this so you can't see my address. So, there's a cute little, okay, so there is a letter. Hi, Rachel. And then her business card for you to see. And then I'm going to turn it around so you can see the information on the back. Hopefully that focuses enough for you guys to see it. She has an Etsy shop as well as her own website. But her Etsy shop is on this business card, Bear Valley Fibres. I will definitely link it below. A thank you postcard shows you everything in the box. Y'all. A startup guide, y'all. Look, see, that's an important thing to have. There are a few other 3D printed companies out there that everything's on their website, so they don't really send a get starting guide with their stuff. I personally have not had any experience with this other company, just what I have been told, and I guess everything is hard to find on their site. But this looks to be like a step-by-step thing, so I'm excited. And we have peanuts. Who doesn't love shipping peanuts? I want to dig into it. Oh, when it comes, y'all, look, see, oh, came with the little pin right there. It says got wool. I'm gonna have to move this like that's up down. So I had to find something to set the box on because I don't want to hold it because I don't want to drop it. So the first thing in the box is this little bag, and it comes with the row counter. Isn't that cute? This was the color that I chose. I don't remember what the name of the actual color was, but it's purple. You get a row counter. We always need row counters. A pair of shears, and it's got the little bear logo. Isn't that cute? That is cute. I like that. It comes with this little tool, and if you know anything about sock machines, this is considered the, this is called the half moon, which will lift up your, will lift up your needles. That's what they're called, needles. Let me grab that. Okay. Half moon. Y'all can tell I'm excited, right? Lifts up your needles. Needles. What else was in the bag? A loom hook. A needle hook. If you've ever done any latch hooking in your life, this is kind of what that reminds me of. A crochet hook. An extra yarn. I don't know if this is an extra yarn feeder or if this is the yarn feeder. But it's slotted. That's a good thing. Needles. We got needles. Look at all them needles. We got needles. And a piece of paper. Nope. This I think might be, Rachel, correct me if I'm wrong. This I think maybe sandpaper, maybe. Very, very fine sandpaper. Or it might just be paper. But nonetheless, we got needles. We got a whole bunch of needles. So this is the needles that you need for the sock machine. And I believe, I know that I got the 60 and the, maybe I got the, I don't remember. I think I got, I don't remember. I don't want to tell you. I got needles. A Bear Valley Fibres ruler. Isn't that just adorable? Some darning needles. Extra needles. Some screws. And then this is like the cord, I believe, that you need to start your sock. I don't remember what this thing is called, but you basically put it on the bottom of the sock as it's coming through, and it kind of holds everything together. And then some super lube. Super lube. You need to lube your machine. So all of that stuff was in this cute little bag. I'm not sure how often you have to lube the machine. I'll have to research that a little bit to find out for sure. I know with my Addies, I have the computer duster in a can thing, and so I usually dust it out every other use, depending on the type of fiber. Okay, let's see what's next. That was a lot in that bag. Let me dig here in the little peanuts. Peanuts. I need something to put the peanuts in. There's a lot of peanuts. Because I don't want them all over my floor. Peanuts! Aha! Basket. Squeaky chair. Basket. Peanuts. At least put some of them here in this basket so I can get to the good parts. The good parts. Y'all, I have been so excited to get this. I've got another new toy coming tomorrow. And I just ordered something else right before I walked out here to do this video. Yeah. We'll wait a different time to talk about that. Because this is all about Rachel and Bear Valley Fibres. I'm almost out of room in my basket. I got peanuts. A lot of peanuts. Okay. Oh, it's wrapped really nice. Okay. And it's packed really, really nice. This came all the way from Canada. So here's the first thing. Now, sorry about the crinkling, but I wanted to do a first impression unboxing. So I will try to do that with the least amount of noise that I can. So the first thing is a cylinder. I don't know what size it is. Does it say it on here somewhere? I'm sure it probably does. Yes, it does. This is the 48. So this one would be like DK weight yarn, if I know what I'm talking about. I might not know what I'm talking about, but I think I do. What else do we got in here? I got another cylinder. So I think I got the 48. I don't know. 48, 60, 72 maybe. Let's see. Yes, another cylinder, 54. This is very, wow, this is very, very durable. Very durable. Okay, what's next? What's next? I don't even remember what I ordered. I'm just so excited to get it. What else do we got in here? Oh, that's heavy. So, I must have only ordered 2 cylinders. I don't know. So, 48 and 54. I don't know. Let's see. What is this? Oh, this is another part of the machine. Look, it's got their logo on it. Isn't that cute? I got paper. I got peanuts. All right, what else we got here? Thinking this must be some sort of weight or something, the way it's... Nope. These are the clamps used to hold the machine to whatever surface you put it on. I've got a table that I'm going to put mine on. But I'm also going to keep my box because I don't know if I want to leave it out all the time. Oh! And in the bottom of the box, I got candy. Or see if there's anything else in there. Okay, candy. And these are rockets. And so they're kind of like our Smarties here in the U.S. What else I got in here? This is the best part, right? Oh, I did get 3 cylinders. There's a cylinder already inside. And it's the 60. And it's already set up for me. That! Look at that. So that's the 60 cylinder. I believe this is attention. This might be attention too. I'm not sure. I've got to read up on this. See, it twines. Yeah. Kind of hard to turn it with. It needs to be connected because I'm holding it. I'm giving it counter action there. But this is my new machine. And I am so excited. I think this goes on here like this. And then this clamps to your table to hold it down out of the way, maybe. And then there's a, I don't know. The yarn mask thing goes right here. I'm gonna have to read up on how to put it together. It does come with the spring to hold your needles in. Let me find this. Oh, this goes right here. Okay. And then, yeah, okay. Okay, so your little needle, or not needle, but your row counter goes right here. And then the yarn mast goes right there. And then I'm not sure where this goes. Maybe it goes in the little hole right here. I'm gonna have to read my book. But I'm so excited, y'all. I have been wanting one of these. But y'all, this was very economically priced. Rachel is a wonderful person. She's got videos on Instagram to show you how she does the socks and that kind of thing. She keeps in contact with you about her order, not about her order, but your order. And then you have like maybe 3 or 4 different colors to choose from. There was this color. There's like a light blue, a green, an orange, a red. I don't know if they do custom colors yet. That might be something that you would need to contact them directly. As far as the cylinders, they do the 48, 54, 60, 72. If you're looking for one of a different size, like the common 64. Again, I'm not sure if they will, but you might be able to reach out to them to see if they could do, if they have the capability to make a cylinder in that size. So yeah, I'm excited, and y'all know what that means. Socks. We're gonna have socks. Socks. Lots and lots of socks. Okay, guys, I gotta read my information here and put it all together. So until next time, happy sock making. Bye.